If you walk every day, what will happen to your body? In this video, I'll describe 7 things that will help you. Walking is a free, simple, and low-effort activity. Taking a walk not only helps with your physical health, but also helps with your mental health. We're about to provide you some detailed health information about the advantages of walking. Please stay to the end of the video. You'll discover excellent knowledge about the health benefits of walking. Before you put on your sneakers, enjoy the video. Turn on post notifications and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our news. For access to our gift shop and other resources, click on the links in the description below the video. The first benefit, according to a study, low-impact aerobic workouts such as walking are beneficial. Walking helps to prevent the onset of diabetes in its early stages. Another study shows that dementia is expected to rise, according to scientists. In the next 20 years, it is expected to double. People who are physically more active throughout their lives are less likely to be affected. Walking makes you a better person. Improved mental health by lowering stress by releasing endorphins. The second advantage of walking is that it improves eyesight. Your eyes will benefit from exercising your legs. Walking can also assist in the fight against cancer. Walking can treat glaucoma by lowering optic nerve pressure. Glaucoma develops when the eye pressure is too high. Fluid accumulates in the eye, raising the risk of infection. As a result of this pressure, it affects the optic nerve, resulting in a problem with vision. The Glaucoma Research Foundation is a non-profit organization dedicated to finding a cure for glaucoma. Walking is one of the best exercises to lower your chances of getting sick. Glaucoma is a disease that affects the eyes. You should be aware that walking is beneficial to your eyesight, both mild and high intensity. Walking strengthens and boosts your immune system. The third advantage is that you're preventing heart disease. You're probably aware that running strengthens your heart. However, according to the American Heart Association, walking is just as effective. When it comes to heart disease and stroke prevention, daily half-hour stroll can help you avoid significant health problems. Walking can help with lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Walking for an extended period of time is an aerobic activity. Circulation of blood increased lung capacity. This indicates that it boosts oxygen levels, which is oxygen in the bloodstream aids in the healing process. Walking will help remove toxins from the body. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, it is beneficial to your lungs. Lung illness is exacerbated by stress and medicine. The immune system is weakened as a result of this. Spending time outside is a fantastic way to unwind. The fourth advantage of starting to walk every day can help. Believe it or not, walking benefits the pancreas because of physical activity. Walking can prevent diabetes in several ways. People that walk regularly have shown to have a positive attitude. Glucose levels will improve significantly, or the absorption of sugar in the blood. Sugar stimulates the production of insulin in your pancreas. Insulin levels are lower. The sixth advantage of walking for only half an hour every day lowers the chances of colon cancer. In addition, it promotes digestion and bowel movements. For those who are suffering from digestion issues, this is good news. Walking increases your chances of being a colon cancer survivor. A total of 150,000 men and women achieved weight loss after walking 10,000 steps a day. In fact, only 10,000 steps per day can be considered a full-fledged gym workout. When you go for a walk, maintain a straight spine. Bend your elbows at 90 degrees. Swing your arms at a 90-degree angle. Your pelvis should stabilize in an ideal situation. This is not the time to burst out into a jog. Speed walking is a low-impact activity. There will be no painful muscle aches as a result of walking. So, you can no longer make excuses for not walking. Without having any aches and pains, you can walk the next day. The sixth advantage of walking by the Arthritis Foundations suggests at least 30 minutes of physical activity a day. Walking can relieve the body of pain, inflammation, and stiffness in the joints. It will benefit you to develop strong bones and prevent osteoporosis. Another benefit is it can alleviate relief of any back discomfort by walking. For those that suffer from back discomfort, this is a true lifesaver. It's a low-impact activity that won't harm the environment. Taking a walk helps to improve blood circulation. Inside the framework of the spine, increasing posture and flexibility are essential for maintaining a healthy spine. When you walk, your spine becomes more stable. Muscles are strengthened. The seventh advantage of walking helps you to relax the mind and body. The study was published in the Journal of Psychiatric Research. After performing 50-person research, people afflicted by major depression walked for 30 to 45 minutes was found to be beneficial. People walking 5 days a week to better themselves. Walking improves the symptoms of depression in individuals. A study showed that hundreds of stressed college students were interviewed by university staff. The study showed that the college students that walked had better attitudes. The next time you walk, take a stroll to enjoy it with family, friends, or a loved one. This would allow you to amplify the euphoric feeling and boost your spirits even higher. Try to go walking 3 to 5 times a week. If you can, start with a 5-minute stroll and increase over time. Please increase the number of minutes to incorporate it into your daily routine, and you will feel and look better. The speed should be between 2 and 3 miles per hour. When you walk, you should be able to talk without running out of breath. When you start to run out of breath, it's time to change your pace. Try walking 30 minutes a day. Encourage yourself to walk 6,000 steps per day as a new goal. If that's too much, you can ease your way there. If you're not motivated to begin walking, join a class. Make a friend with someone that has the same health goals. The other option is to hire a personal fitness trainer. The money you will spend could be a powerful motivator. Do you believe walking is worthwhile? We'd love to hear about your success. Please share your success story or tips and tricks with us all in the comments section. If this video has helped you, please hit that like button and share it with all your friends. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. Stay with us and continue to have a positive lifestyle.